Hey kiddos, welcome to your homework review. We're going to do this a little bit differently today because we are multiplying our integers, but our focus for this isn't necessarily the multiplication because I know that you know how to do that. Our focus here is whether or not we know if it's going to be positive or negative. So what I did is I went ahead and wrote the answers because I really just want to focus on what the sign is, not necessarily what the multiplication looks like. Of course, if you're going through any of these, your multiplication doesn't match mine, you have a question, please reach out. But I did, for time's sake, want to focus on our direct skill, which is whether or not our number is going to be positive or negative when we're multiplying. So just some quick reviews. When we have the same sign, meaning both are positive or both are negative, and we multiply, the answer is always positive. So same sign, positive. If we have different signs, it doesn't matter if the larger or smaller number is negative, the answer is negative. So again, same signs, positive, opposite signs, negative. Let's take a look. Our first one here is 63 times 12. When we do the multiplication, 63 times 12 is 756. Opposite signs mean negative. Negative 55 times negative 30. When we multiply, it's 1,650. Same signs. The answer is positive. We're just going to kind of bop around here. Negative 15 times 81, we get 1,215. Opposite signs. Our answer is negative. Negative 37 times 85, when we multiply, we get 3,145. Opposite signs. The answer is negative. Negative 86 times negative 32. When we do the multiplication, we get 2,752. Same signs, positive answer. Last one for this sheet, 77 times negative 54. When we multiply, we get 4,158. Opposite signs gives us a negative answer. That is the end of your first page. If you have any questions about these, please bring them with you to class or send me a message. All right, let's take a look at our second homework. Again, we are focused on the skill, which is whether or not our answer is going to be negative or positive. Our focus is not the multiplication, which is why I went ahead and filled in that portion. So 36 times 55 gives us 1,980. Since one number is positive, one number is negative, our answer is negative. 31 times 8 gives us 248. The signs are the same. Our answer is positive. 16 times negative 5. 16 times 5 is 80. Opposite signs gives us a negative answer. 98 times 11 is 1,078. Same signs, positive answer. 11 times 33 gives us 363. Opposite signs, negative answer. 67 times 68 gives us 4,556. Same signs, positive answer. That brings us to the end of our second practice page. If you have questions, please bring them with you to class. All right, sweet faces, continuing in the land of multiplication. Same signs, positive, different signs, negative. Let's take a look at our questions. We have 53 times 17. When we multiply, we get 901. Opposite signs, negative answer. 48 times 61 is 2,928. Same signs, positive answer. 11 times 31 gives me 341. Opposite signs, negative answer. 91 times 17 is 1,547. Same signs, positive answer. Negative 49 times 47, 2,303. Opposite signs, negative answer. 48 times 22 gives us 1,056. Opposite signs, negative answer. That brings us to the end of our third practice page of the week. All right, moving on to our fourth page here. Same thing, focusing on our skill of the week, which is whether or not our answer should be positive or negative based on the symbols of the numbers we're multiplying. 67 times 19 gives you 1,273. Opposite signs, negative answer. 25 times 52 gives me 1,300. Same signs, positive answer. 73 times 4 is 292. Same signs, positive answer. 61 times 83 is 5,063. Same signs, positive answer. 4 times 20 is 80. Opposite signs, negative answer. 49 times 26 gives us 1,274. Opposite signs, negative answer. It's the end of our fourth page. Moving on to our fifth. There is extra this week. I do not expect you to do all of them, but in the off chance that you do, I will review them all. 12 times 32 is 384. Opposite signs, negative answer. 80 times 72 is 5,760. Opposite signs, negative answer. 45 times 18, 810. Opposite signs, negative answer. 15 times 1 is 15. Opposite signs, negative answer. 85 times 4 is 340. Opposite signs, negative answer. 7 times 28 is 168. Opposite signs, negative answer. That brings us to the end of the fifth page. On the off chance that you got through all 6, here we go. Negative 15 times 72 is 1,080. Opposite signs, negative answer. 26 times 7 is 182. Same signs, positive answer. 22 times 40, 880. Opposite signs, negative answer. 31 times 4, 121. Opposite signs, negative answer. 89 times 10, 890. Opposite signs, positive answer. I'm sorry, same signs, positive answer. Last one, 5 times 40, 200. Opposite signs, negative answer. That brings us to the end of all of the homework for the week. I hope you have a fantastic weekend.